Good morning, students. So we are going to solve today this third problem of your question bank under the heading Problems with Adjustments. Yes, that is Amit, Bhima and Chandru. So here they are saying they are sharing profit and losses, sharing the profits. The balance sheet of Amit, Bhima and Chandru, who are the partners in the firm, sharing profits according to their capitals. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, but the ratio is as per their capitals ante. Okay, so balance sheet is given, adjustment is given. So we will solve the first revaluation account. Write the heading, students. Write this like this: revaluation account, particulars amount. Okay, to write the revaluation account, we will see the adjustment. That is first one, what is here: building to be appreciated by 20%. Appreciated andre where you are writing? Yes, you will write in the credit side. It is gain alva. So by building 20% ante. So 20% andre 220 divided by 100, 20% into building idu value is 1 lakh. Yes, when you multiply you will get, yes, 20,000 you have got, isn't it? Okay, now next what they are telling, see, provision for bad debts to be increased to 15% on debtors. Provision for bad debts to be increased 15% on debtors. ಈಗ 15% on debtors you first you do. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 20,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15% ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 15% ಅಂದರೆ 15 upon 100 into debtors ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Yes, it is 20,000, isn't it? If you do, it will give you, yes, 3,000. This is your new PDD. What is your old PDD? Old PDD question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Old PDD, that is given 1,000 is how much? 1,000. Old is less, the new one is more. Now remember this thing, students. In admission chapter also I have told you all, when the new PDD is more, when the calculated new PDD is more than the old PDD, you will write it in the debit side. Yes, revaluation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. If the new PDD is less than the old, if the new PDD is less, then you will write in the credit side. But here this new PDD what you have calculated is 3,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚು, old PDD is less, so you will write in the debit side. Okay, please write it. I am telling it once again. When new PDD is more, you will write in the debit side. When new calculated PDD is less, you will write in the credit side. But in this question it is more, so you are writing in the debit side. But how to write here? That is 15%, 15 by 100 into your debtors amount 20,000 minus old PDD. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3,000 ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. 3,000 minus 1,000 ಎಷ್ಟು? Yes, 2,000. Please understand this transaction, very very important. When the calculated new PDD is more, you will write this transaction at debit side. If the calculated new PDD is less, you will write in the credit side. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Okay, yes, I hope it is clear with you. Very very important for exam. Yes, okay. Next one, what they are telling? Yes, next one we'll see. Machinery to be depreciated by 20%. Depreciation under where we are writing, we have done it so many times. Yes, debit side. To depreciation, H2 amount 20% they are telling, 20 upon 100 into amount is 50,000. So it will give you, yes, 10,000, isn't it? Okay. Is there anything else next? It is goodwill. Goodwill, capital you will take in the partner's capital account, not here. So now I will balance it. How to balance it? Make the total. Yes, it looks like this is more, this side is more, isn't it? So 20,000, here it is 20,000, isn't it? So 20,000 minus 10,000 minus 2,000 will give you 8,000. So e 8,000 you have to give it in this three people. How will you give? Ratio kodlilla, but ratio they are telling as per the, yes, partners, as per this ratio anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, as per their capitals. Capitals ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 40, 20 and 40,000, 40,000, 20,000. Yes, I will show you all how to. Easy it is. They are telling what people, what are these names? That is Amit, Bhima and Chandru, isn't it? So 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000, isn't it? ಎಲ್ಲ zeros cancel ಮಾಡಿ 40 40 40, so 4 4 and 2, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 ones are table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, so 2:1 is the ratio. Okay, yes. So ಈಗ ಕೊಡಿ 2:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, here 2 by 2 3 4 5, here 2 by 5, here 1 by 5, isn't it? Yes. So ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. Okay, little and Chandru's capital. Yes, see, I'm so just sorry. When you just cancel it, so when you cancel it, it is, I'll just show you all this once again, students. I have done a small mistake. That is Amit, Bhima and Chandru. I'm writing the initial. What was their capital? As you can see, 40,000. Then there is again 40,000. And there is 20,000, isn't it? So I'm cancelling all the zeros. 40, 40, 40 cancelled. So what remains? 4:2, isn't it? So 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are. Yes. So the share will be